Well, it's 5-Minute Friday. Once again, we've got the RYOBI LINK SlotBox Organizer Kit. Now, this is the model number STM313K or STM313K for kit, I guess. I don't know. Probably doesn't come bare. But anyway, the RYOBI LINK SlotBox Organizer. So let's take a look and see what we get. Well, you can see here on the top, quite a bit of dust. Must have been sitting in a warehouse a while. Anyway, this is part of the RYOBI LINK system, meaning it's going to connect to their wall system, to their other boxes, and be able to stack together and lock together. And then it's not just a box that obviously connects with other boxes, but it's also a drawer system as well. So we can pull these out and individually then have these smaller organizers to put all our screws, electrical components, carburetor components, whatever you're using. Everybody's got their small pieces they need to collect and keep organized. So just a great little half box, if you will, that you can set up to exactly how you want it to be. And they just slide in. And right here we have a drawer lock. So if you don't want those flying around, just flip this way, and now those are locked into place. I don't know how secure, but I can jerk them out if I want to, but they're not going to fall out just by bouncing around your truck or getting hit or leaned over or anything like that. They're going to stay nice and secure. So it's not meant to keep the burglars away, but it does keep them nice and secure so your parts aren't flying around. The bottom as well has the RYOBI locking link system there. So push this, that's going to lock into place. So you can connect these together if you need to. This is kind of the half size, if you will. So you could stack multiple of these on one flat of a larger box. Nice, easy integrated handles to be able to lift this. Now this is going to run you about $70 for this 3-drawer organizer. But not a bad deal, again, for what you're getting here and the ability to separate these. I believe these are the same size. Yes, these are the same size depth drawers. And then this looks like kind of basically a double stack box. So these are kind of single height, and this is going to be the same as 2 of those. And one thing I notice here, which is pretty cool, is if you had a couple of these, and number one, you can actually lock these in with this lock once you stack them on top of one another. But my point being here is, if you wanted to, you could have 4 of these slimmer drawers fit in here, because as I mentioned, it's the same as basically these. 2 are the same as 1 of these. But if you wanted to stack just 4 of these smaller ones in here, you could definitely do so. And that's the idea here, is that you can build the system that you want to with this. And if you wanted to have all slim drawers, you could do that. Or if you wanted to reorganize like this, one slim on the top and then the middle big one and the bottom slim, you can do that as well. So again, $70, part of the RYOBI LINK system. You can find it at Home Depot as well as homedepot.com. We see that these are available now, so check it out if you want to. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested. Be sure to keep track of us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and even TikTok. And hey, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Have a great weekend. Keep smiling.